Hello everyone, welcome to the series of arrays, and in today's lecture we will be learning about a new concept, that is insertion sort. Insertion sort is similar to that of like we are playing the cards. So for example, if these are the cards and we have to place them in an ascending order, what will we do? Considering the one at its own place, we will check the next element. If we are talking about this, let me just take it into the temporary variable. I will check if 1 is placed at its correct position or not. Checking with its previous element, I will check and see 1 is smaller than 5. Therefore, 1 should be placed here and 5 should be placed here. Right? In the next iteration, I will check 6. Is 6 at its correct position or not? 6 is greater than 5, right? Therefore, it is at its correct position. Taking to the next level of iteration, talking about 2. So I will say that in temp I have taken 2 with 2. If I am comparing 2 with its previous elements, I can see that 2 is smaller than 6. 2 is also smaller than 6. When I will do this, I will do something like this. I will keep 2 in the temporary variable. So 2 is at its temporary position. I will shift 6 here. Then I will shift 5 over here. I will compare it. 2 is also smaller than 5. So I will check and transfer 5 over here. Then I will check 1. Is 2 smaller than 1? No. Therefore, the correct position of 2 is here. Right? Similarly, in the next iteration, now I will keep 4 in the temp variable. I will check if 4 is smaller than 6 or not. Yes, it is. Therefore, place the 6 over here. Check again. Is 4 smaller than 5? Yes. Place it over here. Is 4 smaller than 2? No, it's greater than that. Therefore, stop over here and place the element over here. Therefore, now move the temp to the next. Is temp variable, or we can say, is this iteration greater than 0? Yes. Now we will check if this element is greater than, if this element, or we can say, is this element smaller than 6? Yes, it is. Therefore, move it over here. Is 3 smaller than 5? Yes, move it over here. Is 3 smaller than 4? Yes, move it over here. Is 3 smaller than 2? No, it's greater than it. Then, move your 3 over here. So if you can notice, all the elements are at its correct position. This is the way how the insertion sort works. Now, taking to the coding level, what we will do, firstly, I will take a variable I where I will initialize it with 1, because as I told you, there is no fun of taking a of 0. So I will take I equal to 1, considering we have to check this element. Now, we will take another variable, and what will I do? I will place a of 1 into the temp, as I told you. Keep this element, keep a of I into the temp variable, right? Now we have to check before this all the elements. Therefore, I will take another variable as j. I will initialize this j with the I value, right? So j will also be having the value 1, right? Because I have to check it from here. Now I will check if j is greater than 0, number 1 point. Is 1 greater than 0? Yes, then only we will proceed. And I will check if a of j minus 1. What is a of j minus 1? That is 0 we are talking about, right? Because j value is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore, it means I am talking about A of 0. Is A of 0 greater than the temp value? What was the value of temp? It was 2 initially. So A of 0 is having the value 1. Is 1 greater than 2? No. So it means it is at its correct position. I am assuming. Right? So similarly, if it is, then shift the value, assign the value of j minus 1 to the j if it is, like we did before. And assign the temp value over here to the A of j. Very simple it is. Let me show you in the coding section. So we will be taking an array over here, say 5, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, and then 3. I will take a variable temp over here, and another variable I am taking is j. I will take a for loop. I is equal to, I may not take it equal to 0, I am taking it to 1. Then I is less than a dot length, and then what will I do? I will simply assign a of I value to the j, and I will assign I value to the j again, and I will define the loop that while j is greater than 0 and a of j minus 1 is greater than temp, till then work, and a of j, assign it the value of a of j minus 1. Very simple. J is equal to j minus 1. That is it. A of j, assign it the value of temp. That is it. So if you want to print the elements, simply print a of I over here. See, and the elements have been sorted. So in the similar way which we did already. This is how this insertion sort works. Hope you guys understand the concept. Thank you very much.